Hey guys, look what Mother Nature decided to dump on us today. Now, some of you know I live in Toronto, Canada, in Zone 5, so we got a snowfall today. Now, it's not too cold, and I'm sure in a couple days this will all be gone, but it looks pretty nice. Mind you, I've gotten to most of my plants that I wanted to kind of save and protect. There's a few jobs that I still have to get to, like tying up some of my canes from my rose plants that have gone kind of wiry. As you can see, I still even have my lawn furniture and my fireplace out there. But I mean, Mother Nature is Mother Nature, and it just looks pretty nice. I love the way it looks on my hydrangea. That's why I don't trim them. I like to have the winter interest out there. But it was nice to watch the snow piling up, and I hope it does stick around for a few days. So if any of you out there still haven't gotten to closing up your garden for the season, you better get to it because this is coming your way.